I am Aubert and I am the creator, one of the creators of Alpha. The co-creator of the show is called Mathieu Bernard, and unfortunately he's not here.
I am Alexandre Charlet. I am one of the producers of Alpha. And my partner in production is Nicolas de Saint-Mélleux from Storia Television. It was really interesting for me also to meet in this process of writing, to meet the decision makers, potential decision makers, to have their point of view, their commercial point of view. It was really interesting, and we had the feeling that they were like in a kitchen with the authors, with the consultants, and it was a quite good experience.
Actually, I really agree, because we are used to have a relationship between author and producer, but not so much with broadcasters. And it was really, really nice to share some visions, to test some ideas with them. It's really, really good idea.
What was interesting also, it's the fact that we are discussing with broadcasters who are not attached to the project, so without any stakes for the project. So they really give their feelings, but their feelings as broadcasters.
Because I think everybody has very different perspectives on a project. The authors, of course, but the producers as well have their own way of thinking about it, and broadcasters has another way of thinking about it. So this is real good melting pot, I guess, to make things happen. As I said, to test ideas and to check if the project may or might meet a big audience outside of France, I guess. And so it's very nice.
Yeah, and Alpha is a project with, we think, a strong international potential. So to have international visions, international reflections around our project, our subject, our characters is really interesting for us in the next process in the next sessions and stages of the writing process. It's really interesting, and it could be important. And it was really nice to see them in the kitchen talking about characters, locations, etc. Not only stakes of the characters, but also characterization, and to see them hearing and participating in the discussions between the authors. It was really, really nice.